Hi guys, it's me again, and today I'm bringing the update for Visual Editor, the NPC, and good features, that's the best thing I know. A lot of stuff got changed, got better, also the way that it's safe and all that stuff. You're gonna go to the change log, you're gonna see a lot of stuff. But I'm gonna want to show you guys a little bit of what we have, the compatibility part, and also some new mod that is compatible and what's gonna make possible to you don't need a ASP for NPC replacer or stuff like that. So let's go. Basically, I just gonna spawn Major, it's fine. Let's see here. Okay. So, just as always, select the character, the NPC you want. And let me just, I want to show something. Could you play? Okay, nice. So, select, load NPC, and it's gonna load here. And one of the things that got fixed is always when you load the NPC, the custom face is gonna show the right name. It's gonna bring the face that you're using because you need to see which, like if you have a leader with visual face, it's gonna show it. But one of the things that I want to show, it is basically now you can do is, not Vex, I'm gonna try Utgore. You can select the face and then apply it, and you're gonna apply it. So the face is gonna match, and also you can change for others like Mila, and it's gonna do it. One of the things that you can see is it has the neck, say that part, and always when you're gonna edit, it's gonna show it in some cases, and it's fine because it will not show when you enter the save or anything like that. Just gonna show it when you are editing, so keep that in mind. Let me just change real quick here so we can freeze the time. Okay, so the sculpture is working, and another thing that got changed too is you can do some stuff like if you want a face like this, let's say Vex, I think Vex, yeah, it's gonna say that it is not compatible, and it's gonna say why, but you still can apply, and it may or may not work. Keep that in mind. So that's just an example, and you can change the stuff as always. So for example, if I want to do jar and just change the color or something like that, I can just do like jar and do like red for the skin tone, and that's when it's gonna happen because the skin is still here. So that's one of the things that I want to guys know. If you want to change the color of something like that, the skin will have priority. So one way that you can do this is you change the face. Change the face for another one, and it's gonna make the job. So if you do something like, I'm gonna do Vex again, it's fine. Apply it, and that is. And if I try bring black visual, apply it, it's gonna apply the visual because that's her. That's the skin that it has. But if you change other thing, like any other thing, because right now it is exactly how it is saved on the face chain. So if you change the eye or the hair or something like that, it's gonna broke the face chain, which is what we want. And we can do like just, I don't know, just this line and apply it, and you can see it. Now it's done because there is no more face chain. The face chain is broken, and we can change the skin color all. So it's just that. If you not need to be the eye, but you need to add or modify something to broke the face chain, and then it's the color of the skin it is applied. Reset as default, as works, all of this stuff is work. And if you want to show the incompatible head part, you can just click here and gonna show all the incompatible ones. Gonna show all the head parts, basically, not only the incompatible ones. And that's basically it on the part of the NPC, as you can see. But one of the things that got changed too is the export. Basically, the export, you still can do as always. You can do the export here and on preset too, but you also have the export one, so you can select the export that you want, the preset that you want, name the file, and export. So to be easy, if you want to do like 10 NPCs or a pack of replaces, you have here and just export here when you're gonna export to. And the best part now, it is how you're gonna do to make something like the NPC without need the ASP. So the mod may or may not be launched when this video is out, but basically you're gonna need the FG RE, the reimagine, the rethink one, and you're gonna need also the FG and DPF, those two. And the FG, it is something that's gonna let you create parts, not only parts, but create forms for Skyrim without the need to create an ASP. And what I mean by that, it is, if you have, like right now we have this NPC, and I want a hair like this one, we showed the test one. This hair doesn't exist on Skyrim, not in Skyrim, but do not exist on a ASP. I'm gonna say like that because you're gonna see. But basically, you're gonna use the name key, form generator, FG, and you're gonna create head parts. You can also create other things. So, for example, let's say you're gonna do something like major head part 12 and create. And then you select which one you want. Those are the ones that you already can create right now. Select head part. You don't need to edit stuff here, but you can just confirm and gonna create. And then if you go here, we have the type of the head part. So you can, like, if you want to create a hair, you just do hair, select if male, female, if it is a head part, so let's say female. And you put the name, let's say your head. And then we go to the files. Here it's just NIF paths, basically. So you can see here, it's just NIF path. Keep in mind that the meshes one and the text ones one already you have like this. The reference, so the textures that you want for reference, the color, valid arrays, airstyle parts, so you can do, if you want to do a hair and you need hairline and all the stuff, you can just add as normal. And when you go back to the NPC and you go here, so I did tests, but if I search for Mijol, it's gonna look here. It's gonna be here, and that's the fun part of it, because now you don't need to create the ASP for the follow or the replacer. Not the follow, but for replacers. The replacers don't need the ASP anymore. You're just gonna need basically 3 requirements, and those requirements gonna do the trick for the visual part, because you're gonna create using the FG, and then you create a file for the replacer like this, the color, weights, and all the other stuff. And After apply it, you're gonna export and it's basically ready. Of course, you're gonna need the file that the FG create, like this file right here, which and it's done. It's basically it. Just showcase, for example, here this one, it is a one that it is using the FG, and if I go here test us, here I need to remove this one and apply it. You're gonna apply it. So yeah, that's basically it. And just one more thing before, it is some replacers got fixed the way that before are freezing. Not all crashes are got fixed. I don't have how to fix all, but most of the crashes and freezes got fixed. So for example, this one, that one was one that I showed before. If I try to edit on the old version, it's gonna auto freeze. But right now, if I want to change the hair, for example, I want a new hair. Could be the Tesla's one, and apply it. That's what's gonna happen. It will not crash, but that's what's gonna happen because you still have some stuff about the way that some replaces, some follows are made. Some stuff gonna be a little mess because of how the NIF was done. And yeah, but we will not get crashes or freezes. That's the main point. But you're gonna see that it's not comfortable or something's got wrong and something like that. So you can debug and find what was the issue. Another example, it is the Lydia one. The Lydia that I'm using is the Lydia DF, and all the DF ones, the ones for Igor, they are built on Kotor. So what that means, if you select, then load it, and let's say you want to try change the hair, and if you go for the hair and add this one and apply it, the face is gonna look like this because the race is not Nord. The race for those NPCs that are built on Kotor, so you need to put the Kotor hairs, which are basically the same, but with DZ. So, and you do this, apply it, and that it is. So those are some cases for you guys to know and how to fix and what to do. The other stuff, the database, the preset, still the same, but you have basically now more power about it, and stuff that wasn't working before got fixed. You can check the change log to get some more info about it, and that's basically it. So just to do a final one, just apply it, and that's it. And remember, if you're seeing the next scene, you don't need to save the game, but you need to save the data. Save the data because applying game is not gonna save like a file that's gonna overwrite. So remember, save the data. If you saw the next scene, for example, if I do something like this case, is gonna definitely, let me just go back to Nord, and if I do, let's say, measure, apply it, it's gonna broke because of the eye, and then I go to Ugor, apply it. Oh yeah, so this one's on a case, I forgot about this. It will not broke the neck because the face chain, it is already destroyed. Sometimes it's gonna broke the neck, but keep in mind that it is what's happened on because you are adding it. So just save the data, reload the save, or quit the game. I really recommend to go into the main menu and come back to the save, but you can reload the game. I don't recommend the save but it's up to you if I'm not wrong. And that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, have fun with, and God bless. See ya.